If you have not watched our previous video, then watch it now, because in that video I will show you how you can control and run your computer in your mobile phone. This website template is built in HTML, CSS and JavaScript, so we can't use this website template as a WordPress theme. So let's start without spoiling the time. Just open the description link and fill the CAPTCHA code, then click on the continue button. In your case, there are some ads and pop-up windows, so be careful. Then wait for some seconds, then click on the get link button. So now just click on the download button and download it. It will take some time. After that, you can use this theme in your next project. Now click on the extract file and extract it.